Hello, good morning, everybody. Welcome to the day after the holidays where everyone feels like, what is going on with their lives? So I should probably take my Christmas decorations down, yes? We are on, oh gosh, I don't even know what day we're on for these challenges, but you know what? That's okay. It doesn't matter what day we're on. What matters is that you're here and that you're back at it. And so I want to show you today a few new moves. Again, the purpose of these short videos is for you to get familiar with the moves in the workouts that I teach, familiar with the pace, familiar with their names, familiar with the cueing, so that you feel real confident to do a full workout. And we are working on moves from cardio kickboxing formats and turbo kick. So fast-paced, high-energy formats, and so fun, hence the name of the song in the background. So I'm going to show you 3 moves today. And you guys, if you have not done the other challenges, I have the link somewhere around this post in the comments below if you're on YouTube, or in the description, and also our Facebook groups. Make sure you are in our Facebook groups so that you are in my Facebook group for class links, for all class updates, class schedule, fun people, and then make sure you're in Lindsay's group. She's giving away activewear and workout gear and gift certificates. So join those Facebook groups. Make sure you're participating. Let's get into it today. So, turbo kick and the cardio kickboxing formats that I teach have some specific moves. We're going to go through 3 very common moves today that are that you do need to know, and that can be confusing and tricky if you don't know them and you're in the middle of a class and you start to see them and you're like, what is going on? So let's break them down. It's going to be the twist, the wheel, and what was the other one I wanted to do? Twist, wheel, and fire throw. All right, 3 moves. That's it. Easy, easy. All right, this is the workout screen. This is my workout studio, by the way, my virtual workout studio, which is really awesome. I have it set up for you to have a front view and a side view, which is very helpful when you're at home. I apologize, the lighting is a little bit off because it's a full window room, so it's a little bit dark. I know. We'll survive. All right, 3 moves today. Let's talk about the fire throw first. It's going to be the first move we do in our song today. We are going to put it to music eventually. Okay, so fire throw. Fire throw is where you are imagining that you're throwing something over your shoulder, okay? Hence the name fire throw. You're throwing fire, right? Or, in more realistic terms, maybe you're throwing a bag of laundry, all right? Or a sack of laundry. Or as I referenced last week in class, maybe you're Santa Claus throwing your presents. You're throwing something over your shoulder. It's like you're holding a rope and there's a lot of weight behind you and you're throwing it. Now, to throw it strong, you're going to step. You're going to step with that opposite leg. You're going to step right and throw left, lifting up that foot and the knee, and your knee will actually come up. Now, if we do this to the tempo, here's what it looks like. It's step, throw, step, throw. See my knee? Opposite knee is coming up on the side that I'm throwing on. Step, throw, step, throw, step, throw. Now, as I'm throwing, right here is where I'm crunching my core. It's almost like someone's punching me in. Crunch it. Crunch it. Crunch it. So everything's tight in the upper body. It's not floppy. You're not flailing. You're not bending over. It's a vertical movement, but there is a slight contraction there when you lift and throw your stuff, okay? So it looks funny, it feels funny, it actually feels really cool once you get into it. That's fire throw, okay? We're gonna do that one today. Second one is wheel. Wheel is actually very simple, but just keep the form in mind. So imagine you're turning a cartwheel. Don't worry, we're not really gonna do cartwheels in class. But your arms are gonna be up kind of goalposty like this, and when you step like you're about to turn a cartwheel, but you don't. Your momentum builds and then it stops, so it's right there. And here's where the core comes in, right there, crunch, and then you go the other way, crunch, crunch, crunch. So in this position, your tailbone is tucked under. So you're not leaning forward. This is going to be real hard on the back. It's not going to feel good. And your abs aren't going to be working. So upright. You're upright, tailbone tucked, core engaged, crunch, crunch. Imagine yourself up against a wall. And you're like, your back is up against the wall, washing it, okay? That's wheel. And it's bigger. Now, you can choose your level here. You can just keep it small, do little crunches, or as you progress, you can really whip it. Of course, you're engaged and everything's in control, okay? Last move is a twist. Twist is a compound move. How am I doing on time? Oh man, we gotta get moving. Compound move. 3 moves together. We're gonna do it to the side today, but the twist can also happen facing forward. So you're in your fighter stance. It's going to be a jab, cross punch, and then you lean back and pull your knee up. So you're gonna hear me say jab, cross, pull the knee. Jab, cross, pull the knee. But it's fast. It's very fast. Now, to start, don't make the moves as big. Just do them small. Jab, cross, pull the knee. Jab, cross, pull the knee. Jab, cross, pull the knee. Then as you get the feeling for that motion, then you can start to make it bigger. Advanced versions, you can add a hop on that knee. Jab, cross, hop. Jab, cross, hop. That's a twist. So when you hear me say twist, we're doing all 3 things. Jab, cross, pull the knee. Hey, let's do this to music and see how it goes, okay? We can do it. It's gonna be fun. I'm gonna turn the music up for us. You ready? We're just gonna go. Turning it up, turning it up, turning it up.
I wanna have some fun.
We turn the music up loud in my classes.
I wanna have some
We're gonna turn up to 11. I'm gonna restart the song for us. Okay. We're gonna do those 3 moves. We're gonna do the right leg to start. We're gonna start with that fire throw. We're gonna start step and throw right here. It's step throw. So this is the pace. Imagine you're throwing that something over your shoulder. Core tight. That crunch right there. Keep going. Now, as you get this move, you can really get into it and you can really feel your core engaged. You can make sound effects. Okay, let's do the wheel. Ready? Let's do the wheel right here. It's step and wheel. Easy. So check your form. Tailbone is under. Remember, you're up against the wall. You can make it big or small. This is all core work. Stay here. Keep wheeling. It's that cartwheel. It can be small. It can be small to start. Your shoulders are going to be working here too. Woo! Ready for the twist? Big compound move. Here we go. Jab, cross, pull the knee. It's fast. Make it small to start. Jab, cross, pull the knee. Jab, cross, pull the knee. Add the hop if you want. Start to make it bigger. Stay here. Keep going. Jab, cross, pull the knee. Woo! You guys, we're going to put these all together. You can do it. Ready? We're going to do fire throw. Fire throw right here. Step and throw. Yes. Keep going. Now the wheel. Go. Step and wheel. Ready for the twist? Here we go. Twist it right here. Go. Jab, cross, knee. Keep going. Awesome. Hey, let's try doing it one more time all together. One more breakdown. Okay, fire throw. Right here. Step and throw. Now wheel right here. Go. Now the twist. Woo! 2 more. We did it. Give yourself a round of applause. Hey, 3 very common moves that you now know. So you will feel ready to do them when you hear me shout them out in class. Holy cow, I'm out of breath. All right, let's put the music down for you. Hold on. Hey, music is down. Oh man, can you hear me breathing heavy? That's what Turbo does. That was just one song, and that was like a preview song. Turbo's high intensity exercise. So fun though, you guys. And you can make it what you want it to be. You can take breaks when you need to. This is online. You're in your own home. I don't see you. You can do whatever you want. All right, so, hey, you get a sticker for coming to my class every day. This was Friday's sticker. We were balling. It was Piyo. Okay, so you guys, we also have a quote of the day every day. This is also our Friday sticker, or our Friday quote. Holidays coming up. So you guys, like I said, make sure you're in our Facebook group. Make sure you're there. Add yourself to this group. This group is open to anybody, not just members of my classes. And so you can come into that group, get all the information, see the fun things happening, get the schedule, and all those good things. You guys, do you feel ready to take some turbo classes? Are you feeling like you're starting to get it and like feeling that beat of the music that's so important in Turbo. I promise it will all click. It does. It's a learning curve. And that's what's so cool about my workouts, you guys, is you're not just working your body, you're working your brain. And if you are into that kind of challenge, like you like that challenge of having to learn moves, learn choreography, and then you get to put it to music, my classes are right up your alley. So you guys, I think that's it. Like I said, find the groups above all those posts. Other challenges are posted there as well. Post your pictures in the groups. What am I forgetting? We have a few more days of this month, so a few more days of Turbo, but I actually might keep this schedule of posting little 10-minute clips every day. What else would you like to see? It doesn't have to be a workout clip. I can do whatever I want. What would you like to see from me on this channel? Please tell me in the comments. I'm open to suggestions. I think that's it, you guys. Have an amazing day, and we'll see you tomorrow for tomorrow's challenge. All right, bye-bye.